What's up, guys? Colin here from Chicken Forward Dave. Today I'm going to be playing FUT Pack. Don't know what it is, but earn special pack. What do we get? Who knew? A left pack for Barcelona. Dingy. I'm sorry, I just got into this because new game I'm trying out, and so I'm just trying it out with you guys, so we can let's just see what happens in this game. Quick sell for how much? I don't got duplas. Duplas are weird. Duplicates. Oompa loompa. Earn another special pack or squad builder. I love to build squads. First is a striker. Search. Diaby. Then the trade store, squad builder, my club cards, open pack. Then we got a striker. Here says Gignac. As my favorite team is Manchester United, so I might go crazy because I love them if I get one of them. This includes okay. And then let's see what we get this time. It's a new card. Right fielder from a strange team. Toure or something like that weirdness. And what is SBC? League Special Hybrid League. Premier League. I love my Premier Leagues. Man United. No duplicates. I don't get this game. So we will just... Paul Pogba. I love Pogba. You guys know me. I love my Pogba. How about none of you guys know me? So about rate us, contact us, our team, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, private policy, terms of service. Oh, speaking of Instagram, go follow me down on Instagram, and I will accept any. I will try to figure out if you're a fan or not. So it is CMurph692 number 699 CMurph numbers. He'll show up. Got a car as mine because I love cars. So let's see what this says. Follow us. Get 100,000. Sure. Thanks to coins have been added. So this is just this. Well, while we're here, I'll just show you my Instagram. Over here. I just got people that I'm following. Just let me get to me. Right here. Here I am. And I am CMurph6492. I have 6 followers. These people. Oh, I know there's one more. Okay. And then, yeah. So let's just get back into the game, I guess. Yeah, just do this and it'll give me back. You can just get in just right by this. Now, can I buy a team of the season? Can I buy our best pack? Let me buy. I choose you, Pikachu. Okay, who'd I get? Oh, I don't know this person. Click hard to show pack. I don't know who the heck you think you are. So I'll keep on opening some packs to see who we get. A new one. Rafinha. Thought it'd be any. But, no wait, any is from her. Oh, a Newcastle player. I also like Newcastle. So if we open this pack, we'll get a new one. A left back Man City. Clichy. Now, with Belgium. What is it? Belgium? Wales. There's some good players from Wales. And then we got a normal card, a new one. A center mid, the Gangawan Began. Come on, I just want a good player. For once. A new card, Sonny is still crap. I just want a Manchester United. This is taking forever. Oh, look at that! I love Lacazette's a pretty good player, if I do say so myself. Yes, I know this might be a boring video of me just opening people you don't know. So, I'll just do a few more and see what's happening. And earning a special. I wish something good would just show up. Yo, no donkeys. I'll just quick sell all you people. So let's just see what else I got. Trading. Accept. Choose your username. Next. Choose enter name. As I usually do, see. Murph 6492. My badge. It will be. Do they got a Premier League? There's a Scottish Premier League. I'm looking for the English one. Do they? Yeah, Barclays Premier League. Choose a club. Man United. Okay. Alright. Done. Oh, I don't know what this is, so I'll just end this video for no reason here. And if I'm not gonna do this again, so I'll just try some other games, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.